Hello, my name is Ryan Gardner and I'm the Senior Director of Client Services at Highgrove. I'm here to talk to you today about 5 reasons why your property might need an irrigation renovation. Reason 1 is because you're seeing higher water bills than usual. This could mean that you have a slow mainline leak in your system, broken lateral line somewhere, slow weeping valves, or heads that are just out of alignment. These issues could cost you thousands of dollars in water bills over time. The second reason is you have mature landscaping or newly updated landscaping at your building. If you have mature landscape, your property will not require as much water. These plants are sufficient on their own and do not require as much irrigation. If your landscape is newly updated, we want to make sure all your heads are in alignment for all the new planting to make sure they're effectively being watered. The third reason is that you're seeing either too wet or too dry conditions on your property. If you're seeing areas that are too wet, you're probably noticing puddling on the ground, areas of saturation, standing water in landscape areas. If you're seeing too dry conditions, you may be seeing cracking in the soil, stress in your grass or plants. If you're seeing either of these conditions, we want to make sure that your irrigation is properly set so we're not either overwatering or underwatering your landscape. Reason number 4 is that you have an outdated irrigation controller. Some of these newer clocks can save you up to 20 to 40% of your water. This is an excellent return on your investment. The way these clocks help save you water is that we install a weather station on site and the irrigation clock monitors the weather and waters according to the weather on your site. We can also input information into these clocks such as your plant types, soil type, slopes, and any other information that may be present at your property to help make sure the irrigation is properly watering your landscape. Reason number 5 is if you haven't done an irrigation audit in the past 3 to 5 years, now is a great time to consult with one of our irrigation technicians to evaluate your irrigation system to make sure everything is running efficiently. Irrigation is a very high maintenance system. It requires tune-ups and repairs and maintenance just like your car would every few years. There are a lot of moving parts in an irrigation system where things can wear and break over time. We want to make sure that all these parts are properly working all the time to make sure that there is no costly water that is being wasted.